Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other website. That website is wonderful. You can claim any cryptocurrency you want and pay you instantly to your faucetpay. Okay, this is the website. This website link available in description. First of all, you choose your cryptocurrency you want to claim. Okay, this is the available cryptocurrency right now in this website. I want to claim BNB. And I put the email address of my faucetpay in here and I just click get free crypto. Okay, show me just a free capture is a bathroom. Just click bedroom. Okay, available bedroom in the picture and just click get your coin. Show you some advertisement, just close it. You can see I received this much BNB. I have left it claim today is a 3. I choose another cryptocurrency like Solana. I just put email address, click claim. Okay, every 1 minute you can come back and claim. Sorry about that. I just come here to show you the withdrawal proof. You can see I received my BNB from here. Thanks for watching guys, and I just claim one other time to show you this website. Pay me 100% another time on a reset 21 seconds. I left it 90 seconds. I just pause the video, I come back, and now you can see this come back and just I click it's a bedroom again and just I click the bedroom available in this picture and just click verify and just click get crypto. Okay, you can see this my Solana this website pay, and if you reach the daily limit just click more faucet. You can see the all faucet available in this website. This is the number of the faucet. You can claim all of these faucet from here. And thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos everywhere on our website, and you can make much more amount from this website link available in description. And bye bye for now.